a lot of people started to realize that Etsy dropshipping is actually better than eBay dropshipping, because on Etsy there is no competition. I mean, there aren't a lot of people who are doing dropshipping on Etsy compared to eBay. Of course, Etsy is much different than eBay, and the way Etsy works is like different than eBay. Like the way you can do dropshipping on eBay is different than dropshipping on Etsy. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys, I have been doing dropshipping for 3 years, so I'm going to explain to you guys how you can start this business from AliExpress to Etsy. Okay, now a lot of people, they just like find random products on AliExpress and then they start listing these items on Etsy. That's not how it works, because you will get your account banned if you list any item. For example, this item, this is not a handmade item. Okay, let me show you right now. Now as you can see, this item, for example, this is not a handmade product, and Etsy, your account will get banned the moment you list this. The moment your account will get banned. Now what you need to do, guys, like instead of this, like what you need to do is you want to find handmade products on AliExpress. What I mean by that is you have to find something that looks like it's handmade, so that when you list that item on your Etsy shop, Etsy will not recognize that it comes from AliExpress. Or, by the way, Etsy doesn't care if you are a dropshipper. They care about, like, if you are like, if you sell handmade products, then Etsy has no problem with you. Like, the problem with Etsy is a lot of people think that you can't dropship on Etsy, but dropshipping is allowed on Etsy. Okay, it's allowed, but what is not allowed is listing products that are not handmade. Now what you need to do, guys, like instead of listing AirPods, you want to list the keys, the AirPods keys. Okay, now if you list AirPods, of course this is not handmade. How can someone make this at home? It's not possible. But when you search for AirPods keys, AirPods keys, you will find a lot of keys here that you can list. But make sure you after you download these pictures, make sure you add something to them. Like, make sure you add some value to these pictures. Okay, let me change the currency to dollars. Okay, now I'm going to click save. Now after you find a product like this, or for example necklaces, they look like they are handmade, or for example iPhone cases, they look like it's handmade. Just don't list something that electronics or something like that, because it's clear that the product is not handmade. So for example, like keys, you can just download the pictures from AliExpress and you can start listing. But first you have to find people who are selling AirPod keys. Okay, you just want to like get inspired by them. You just want to find how the title their item, what is the description, how, like, everything like that. You just want to pay attention to what these people are doing and do the same thing like they say. Don't listen to what they say, do what they are doing. That's exactly what you need, guys. You want to just search for example, AirPod keys, and as you can see here, guys, for example this one, you just want to list something that looks like it's like this. Okay, now you want to, as you can see, you want to this guy has 0 feedback, so don't even get inspired. Like, don't copy this guy or do something that he does. For example, this one, as you can see, you want to find some keys that look like it's this one on AliExpress, something similar. Of course you are not going to find the exact same thing, but you can find something similar to this and you can just list it. It's that simple, it's not that hard. And a lot of people are doing dropshipping right now from AliExpress. Okay, a lot of people on Etsy, I would say like 20,000 people are doing dropshipping from AliExpress, and you can do the same thing, guys. Now for people like people who don't know how to list an item from AliExpress to Etsy, don't worry. Just if you can leave a like on this video and watch the video on the screen right now, and you will be able to list items from AliExpress to Etsy. Make sure you don't list electronics things or something like that, or iPhones or AirPods. Only list something that looks it's handmade. So click the video on the screen and you will be able to list products on Etsy from AliExpress. See you guys in the next video.